Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be a product review video. So before going into the video, subscribe to my channel and next to it you'll find a bell button. Click it on so that you'll get a notification whenever I upload my video. And you can also follow me on my Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and Snapchat. I'll be leaving all the links below in the description box. So please go check it out. Now let's get into the video. So today's product is gonna be about this lipstick. This lipstick I got it from Club Factory. So yeah, I actually forgot the cost of it. Anyway, I'm gonna put the price of it over here somewhere so you guys can check it out, and the link also will be down below. The link also will be down below. If you guys want, please go check out my description. And yeah, coming back to this lipstick is by Novo Silky Air Cushion Lipstick in the shade 05. So yeah, this is a seduce white color and yeah, smooth, elastic, healthy lips. And yeah, that's all. And this comes in this metallic package, and yeah, I think this is kind of travel friendly because you don't have to worry about the leakage, which again has the screw cap. So screw cap will secure your lipstick. The good thing, I mean, like the thing about this is like it has a cushion, okay, this cushion, and your lipstick is inside this cap. So you need to put your cushion inside and apply it all over your lips. It's just like you can just control how much ever you want, and the color is not so bright, but it just gives me this tinted red lips. So yeah, you can just adjust how much ever you want, and if you want more bright, you can just layer it up, or if you just want to have this just a blush kind of a lip, so you can just apply it like however you want. And this is not a matte, it's just a creamy lip color, and it is not kiss proof, so you just have to be careful if you are eating anything. But again, it will just stay for like 2 to 4 hours. And one more thing about this lipstick is like even after it fades away, it just gives you that red lips, which is not so bright, but you'll just have that red lips. If you want, you can just touch up, or you can just leave it and apply a lip balm, which will give you a good lip tint. So yeah, about this is like that's all. And the smell of it doesn't have any smell, it's just bland. It doesn't have any smell. Like if you're a person who doesn't want to have any smell for your lipstick, you can just go ahead and buy this product. And I don't say this is worth, but you can just give it a shot and try this product. So that's all guys, that's all the review about this product. And yeah, hope you guys liked it. Love you all, take care, bye bye, see you guys in the next video.